Hey guys, this is Cesar Gutierrez with KW Laredo. Today is day number 10 of the 75-day challenge. Today we're going to go over creating a mortgage calculator for your agent website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into consumer at the bottom left. From here, you're going to want to create a new site on the upper right-hand corner. And we're going to select on my agent site. Again, since we are going to be having this as a drop down option on your actual agent site. Okay, click on it and then create page. Here, you're going to want to change it to mortgage calculator. And then you're going to want to go into content blocks and drag and drop text. Once you have that, you're going to open a new window and put mortgage calculator.org. Once you're here on mortgagecalculator.org, you're going to hover over widgets and click on full page calculator. Here, basically what we're going to do, excuse me, is get a code that we're going to put on our stand or on our agent site. So here you see that it has some presets. You can actually change them to the average sales price in Laredo. And so here, typically they're gonna have to change it themselves. So I wouldn't really bother too much on changing these presets. So you're gonna click here on copy to clipboard. And this, you're gonna end up going back to your KW command and then pasting that code. Okay. Then after you have that pasted there, you're gonna click on configure widget and let that load and click done. Okay, so now you have your actual mortgage calculator that can appear on your agent site. Again, click on widgets, let it load for the information. That way it can give us an option to save it, okay? So again, guys, it's here on mortgagecalculator.org. You do have the presets here that you can change, but again, more than likely, whoever is going to click on the mortgage calculator is going to have to change these options. And again, you're going to copy to clipboard and paste it over here. Okay. So we're still here waiting for this to load. It does take a little bit long, just again, because it is a whole, coding from a different website. So it is a lot of information that it does have to gather. But again, it's a very useful tool that you can provide for your clients that are on your website. They can mess around with the interest rate, loan amount, home value, down payment. Okay, so you can actually send them a video of kind of how to use it whenever they're trying to calculate their monthly payment. It does have, everything from monthly taxes to PMI to home insurance to HOA. So you do get a pretty good, idea of what what monthly payment your clients will be getting. All right. So again, we're just waiting for this to load. But in case you did miss it, again, we're gonna start from the beginning here. Mortgagecalculator.org. Click on the widgets over here on the upper right hand, and then click on full page calc. And you can mess with these. Again, you don't have to because your clients are gonna end up, changing those numbers. All right. So this is gonna take some time to load. Luckily, I do have one that I created prior to this. So if this is your first time creating this, just let it load. It's going to take some time again because it is a big file that it needs to upload. Okay. So once this is loaded completely, you're just going to click on Save Changes. All right. So once you click on Save Changes, you're going to end up going to your agent site. So I'm just going to wait a little bit longer to see if it loads. If not, we're just going to move forward. Okay. So let's just move forward. You're going to go back. Sure. Okay. So then from here, what you're going to want to do is go to Site and App Settings. Click on Site Pages. And then Add Page. So we have the mortgage calculator here. Continue. And on here, you're going to want to change the page title. Again, this is a mortgage calculator. And here you can put mortgage calculator. And then here I already had some presets saved. It's mortgage calculator, FHA loans, conventional loans, VA loans, anything dealing with mortgages, you can go ahead and put it here on the SEO description. Okay, loans. So then you save it. Okay, so now it's saved. Go to general just to make sure what your website is. Okay, so now you can actually go to your actual website so you can check it out. All right, just let it load. Okay, so for mine, I'll go to milestone.kw.com. And it's going to be on the drop down menus right here under Milestone Real Estate Group. It's going to be on mortgage calculator. So here you go. You can mess with this. You know, let's say it's a house for 250 and down payment is 3.5. Interest rate is, let's say, 2.875. Oh, 2.875. So you can kind of see more or less what your payments would be. Again, property taxes are probably going to be a bit higher than this, probably like 6,500. So you guys can mess with this and show your clients how to use it. But that's how you create a mortgage calculator for your agent website. Thank you guys again for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow.